सहजानंद स्वामी महाराज ने जय। मैं तो गुनेगार तेरा रे, a kirtan by Premanand Swami, making a confession that I have flawed, sinned many a times in my life. You know it all. I can't hide anything from you. All I can do is seek Shamapna, forgiveness, be honest, sincere, and let you know that I agree to all my shortcomings. I am aware of all my flaws. When I look at you in that mirror, I see all my sins. Knowingly, unknowingly, I have kept doing these, and I want to come to you to ask for forgiveness for this, because at any given point of time, my awareness is falling short of knowing the sins that I am doing without even realizing. My wrong seems right to me when I am doing the wrong, and when I look back, I realize it was so wrong. And hence this kirtan, this bhajan, this apology, this confession, so that when we meet God on Judgment Day, we are not running away or shying or arguing or debating for whatever sins that we have done. Rather, just going down and surrendering at His feet, accepting all the things that in spite of all the efforts we couldn't do, ready to take all the consequences, face all the paschataps for all these wrongdoings, and living up to Him, that since we have subscribed for a spiritual life, since we have subscribed and promised and committed that we will live a life of sincerity, of obedience, walk the path that our masters have shown us, we must live up to the standards that God has set for Himself, His saints, His seekers. And until and unless we are going to live up to that commitment, show that intent, and our actions speak that intent, God is going to keep waiting on us. And if we want to liberate and reunite with Him, we have to live up to those. Until we live up to them, this is the sincere apology that a saint like Premanand Swami is writing. Then we seekers are far, 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 far away from even reaching Premanand Swami's state. We must live each line of this confession and apology and Shamapna and internalize it, and try to work every day to become more and more eligible for His grace.
मैं तो गुनहगार तेरा रे, मैं तो गुनहगार तेरा रे, हो स्वामी मेरा रे। मैं गुनहगार तेरा किरदार, मैं गुनहगार तेरा किरदार, दे शरण चरण केरा रे, दे शरण चरण केरा रे, मैं तो गुनहगार तेरा रे। अधम उदाहरण पतित जन पावन, अधम उदाहरण पतित जन पावन, मेटत है भव फेरा रे, मेटत है भव फेरा रे, मैं तो गुनहगार तेरा रे। यही बिरुद घनश्याम सुनी तेरा, कीनो चरण डेरा रे, मैं तो गुनहगार तेरा रे। प्रेमानंद कहे प्रभु भव सागर से, हे पार करो अब बेड़ा रे, पार करो अब बेड़ा रे, मैं तो गुनहगार तेरा रे। I am Adham. I know I am not eligible. I am far behind. I am inferior. I am patit. I am spiritually yet weak. I have a lot of ground to cover. But you are the Almighty, ever graceful. You ensure that one who commits to you is being guided, handheld, to help make this birth the last birth. I'm at your feet. I'm ready to do what you say. Give me the strength to achieve what you want me to achieve. You had promised that if I walk one step, you will walk 10 steps. With that hope, I have come to you. Please accept me with my imperfections and work on me like a teacher, like a master, and ensure that I liberate from this bondage of life and death cycles because of your grace and your help and the help of all the masters that enter my life on your behalf. मेरी तकसीर करियो माफ, मेरी तकसीर करियो माफ, हो हरि जग व्याप। बहुत बनी तकसीर मेरे से, सब विधि जानत आप, सब विधि जानत आप, मेरी तकसीर करियो माफ। हम अपराधी जीव जन्म के, हम अपराधी जन्म जन्म के, कहाँ बरनू कहीं पार, कहाँ कहाँ बरनू कहीं पार, मेरी तकसीर करियो माफ। स्थापन धर्म धर्म कुल प्रगटे, अधर्म करन उठार, मेरी तकसीर करियो माफ। प्रेमानंद तरियो भव सागर, तेरे ही चरण प्रताप, मेरी तकसीर करियो माफ। Premanand Swami confesses that I wouldn't be able to liberate without your forgiveness. I have done many a sins. You know it all. You are the all-knower. You are the all-doer. In many, many births, I have flawed many, many times. You have seen it all. This time, you have come into my life, the Dharma Kul, and all the adharmas in me, the negativities in me, shortcomings in me, limitations in me, must be overcome, not because I have gained any new strength to overcome my own negativities,
But because I have you in my life, with whose help I can overcome all of these, overcome all the temptations, all the distractions, all the inappropriate, avivekmay things that I've done in life, what I do in life, or I may still do in life. With your help, I want and I seek and pray for that awareness, that while doing it real time, I realize that this is not what I'm supposed to, and I can correct myself in that moment itself and live up to you. But I need your help for that, and for all the past doings that I've done, I'm ready to undergo all the prayashchits. I'm ready to do what you say. I'm ready to pay whatever price you say. But I don't want to lose you. I don't want to lose my liberation. I don't want all the good to be washed away by the bad in me. And for that I need your help.
तोहे मेरी बाय ग्रहे की लाज, तोहे मेरी बाय ग्रहे की लाज, हो मेरे महाराज। हम है पतित तुम पतित के पावन, हे गिरधर गरीब निवाज, तोहे मेरी बाय ग्रहे की लाज। चहु जुग के नर नारी पात की, सब ही उधारे आ, तोहे मेरी बाय ग्रहे की लाज। आदम उदारण त्रिभुवन तारण, श्री हरि कृपा जहाज, श्री हरि कृपा जहाज, तोहे मेरी बाय ग्रहे की लाज। प्रेमानंद कहे प्रभु प्रगटे धर्म कुल, अदम उदाहरण काज, तोहे मेरी बाय ग्रहे की लाज। I am reminding you that you held my hand, and you have a promise made to all of us that once you hold our hands, you never leave it. Punish me, be strict with me, make me face all karmic consequences, but never leave me. You are Patit Pavan, you are Garib Niwaj, you are Kripa Jahaj. You are a ship of grace. And all of us, human beings, living beings, are all papi in some form or the other at some point or the other. But when you come, all is forgiven, all are liberated, all are cleansed. That is the power of your presence in the lives of our souls. And that's why I'm banking on that grace, that you will gracefully still give me chances and allow me opportunities in which I can undo all my wrongdoings, live a life of righteousness, and be deserving of your almighty presence in my life. I'm not running away from accepting that I sinned, and I'm again telling you the same. मैं तो छिन छिन तेरा गुनहगार, छिन छिन तेरा गुनहगार, ओ धर्म कुमार। मैं गुलाम तेरे चरण कमल का, तू मेरा शिरदार, तू मेरा मेरा शिरदार, मैं तो छिन छिन तेरा गुनहगार। जो करनी सुनी हो प्रभु मेरी, जो करनी सुनी हो प्रभु मेरी, नहीं कबहू निस्तार, मैं तो छिन छिन तेरा गुनहगार। अपनों विरुद्ध विचार के केशव, अपनों विरुद्ध विचारी के केशव, लीजे मोहन मेरी सार, मैं तो छिन छिन तेरा गुनहगार। प्रेमानंद घन श्याम नाम पर बार बार बलिहार, बार बार बलिहार, मैं तो छिन छिन तेरा गुनहगार। हाँ, मैं तो छिन छिन तेरा गुनहगार, मैं तो छिन छिन तेरा गुनहगार। Every moment I am faltering. I am doing things that I am not supposed to, and in every moment I am facing this dilemma. I am your Ghulam, you are my Sardar. If I go on to say sorry for all my wrongdoings, the list is so never ending that for infinite amount of time I will just be mentioning this I could have done better, that I did wrong, this was inappropriate, this was a sin, this I let you down in, and the list is never ending. But you are a forgiver, you are graceful, you are a master, yet you are a parent, you are my mother, you are my father. Please save me, please help me, please forgive me, and I'll be forever indebted to you if you can forgive all those things that I flawed in, with a promise that I'll be more aware, I'll be better. I will really work hard on my sincerity. I'll really make sure that I don't repeat the same mistakes and don't make new mistakes. With your help, with your guidance, I will try to achieve this. But please forgive me. Sahajanand Swami Maharaj Ni Jai.